Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to create keys, assign them to orders, and manage key reuse when refunds or cancellations happen, all inside Key Manager. Let's jump right in. Creating keys. First things first, head over to Key Manager in your WordPress dashboard and click on Keys. This is where all your license keys live. To create a new one manually, go ahead and click Add New up at the top. All right, now you'll see the key creation form. Let's go through the fields real quick. The key field, this is your actual license code. You can type it in manually or paste it directly. Or click the Generate button. It will generate a key based on predefined settings. Just make sure you're using a consistent format across your keys. Next is product. This is required. Use the dropdown to select which product this key belongs to. Then you have valid, for this is the number of days until the key expires. You can enter something like 365 for a 1-year key, or just leave it blank if you want it to never expire. Expires on is similar, but instead of a number of days, you pick a fixed calendar date. Use one or the other, depending on your needs. And finally, activation limit. This controls how many times the key can be activated. Enter 1 for single use, 3 for up to 3 devices, or again, leave it blank for unlimited activations. Creation modes. Now here's something important. When you create a key, you actually have 3 different creation modes to choose from. Let me explain each one. Mode 1, create as a new key and set the status to available. This creates the key with a status of available. It gets added directly to your product inventory and will be automatically assigned to the next incoming order for that product. This is the most common option for bulk key management. Mode 2, create a new corresponding order for this key. This one actually creates a brand new WooCommerce order at the same time. The key gets assigned to that order, and the order is immediately set to completed. You'll need to select a customer for this to work, so keep that in mind. Mode 3, assign this key to an existing order. Use this when you already have an order and you just want to attach a key to it. The order updates automatically once you assign the key. Once you've filled everything in and chosen your mode, go ahead and hit Save. Automatic key assignment. Now let's talk about how keys get assigned to orders automatically. When a customer places an order and it moves to completed status, Key Manager can automatically deliver a key, but you need to make sure that setting is turned on first. Go to Key Manager is greater than settings, and then open the General tab. Scroll down until you find the delivery settings section. You'll see a checkbox for automatic delivery. Go ahead and check that on. Then save your settings. Once that's enabled, anytime an order is completed and the product has key management turned on, a key will be pulled from inventory and sent to the customer automatically. No manual work needed. Manual assignment from order page. But what if you need to assign a key to an order manually? No problem. Here's how. Go to WooCommerce is greater than orders and open the order you want to work with. Once you're inside the order, scroll down and find the Order Actions section. You'll see an option Add Pending Keys to the order. Click that, then hit Update. Key Manager will pull an available key for that product and attach it to the order right there. Reusing keys from refunds and cancellations. All right, last but definitely not least, let's talk about key reuse. When an order gets refunded, canceled, or payment fails, you probably don't want that key to go to waste. Key Manager can automatically return those keys back to your inventory. Here's how the process works behind the scenes. The order status changes the key, gets unassigned from that order, its status flips back to available, and it's ready to be assigned to the next customer. To enable this, go back to Key Manager is greater than settings is greater than general. In Key Settings section, check the Key Recycle Keys option. Make Save Changes. And that's it. From this point on, any key from a refunded or canceled order will automatically cycle back into your inventory, keeping your stock clean without any manual cleanup. And that covers everything you need to know about creating keys, assigning them to orders both automatically and manually, and making sure your keys get recycled properly. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Key Manager tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.